Hey, oh hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming our Vegancuts beauty box for December. I know it's January, but my December beauty and snack box just got here today on January 4th, the day I'm filming. And because they were packaged together, my stuff came in this little pouch. I've already removed it from this nice little pouch just so I can easily access it. But this is a nice little pouch. I'm gonna sit this aside in my little stash of things I hold on to for packaging Poshmark orders. And if you sell on Poshmark, I cannot highly recommend that enough. Saving all your packaging materials from things that you order and just reusing them, because that's good for the environment, which is an aside. But let's go ahead and get started on everything that came in this month's box. So the first item, and it came in a little box, I've already unboxed it, is this little pouch here. It's super soft, and inside is this face roller. It's a dual-sided one, and this is a black obsidian face roller. It says this is $30, which seems a little much to me. I'm thinking you can probably find one of these at Marshall's or Home Goods way cheaper than that. I don't know if it would be black obsidian, but you know, you could probably get one of these cheaper than $30. It says apply your favorite serum or oil and use upward and outward motions, chin nose slash to ear, to move the roller gently over your forehead, cheeks, under eyes, around the lip area and neck. Use for 5 minutes 2 to 4 times a week. The small end of the roller for the under eyes works best. This unique obsidian face roller helps reduce the appearance of puffiness and fine lines, promotes lymphatic health, improves circulation, and helps to cool and refresh fatigued skin. And then it says, you know, as a little tip, you can keep it in the fridge, or if you want to use it warm, you can warm whichever end you want to use in some warm water for a few minutes. So I already have one of these that I keep it on my nightstand, and I have a little roller here on my desk. I particularly like to use these things for when I am stressed, which might sound a little strange, but when I get stressed, I carry tension in my face a lot. So I love to use these when I'm feeling stressed. So I think I'm actually going to keep this downstairs because I don't have one down there. And I can put it in the fridge and use it downstairs whenever I want. So, my camera just cut off, but we are back to business. I think it might have cut off like a word or two I was saying. But anyway, I was just saying that the black obsidian roller was rather exciting. I like that one. I like that addition to the box. So the next item we're going to talk about is this one. It doesn't have a brand name on it, but it says mild foam cleanser. So yes, the Vegan Glow would be the brand. Here you go. Just a super chic, simple packaging. I really like that. And this is the mild foam cleanser that retails for $10 from the incredible line of Korean skincare. That's kind of cool. This super mild formulation with pH level 5.5. pH doesn't matter because you are washing it down the sink. So it's not staying on your face, so it doesn't really matter what the pH is. And no fragrance. Love that, even though that also doesn't really matter in a cleanser. But I definitely prefer it. Makes this product the perfect match for sensitive skin types. In the morning and at night, massage cleanser into wet skin and rinse away with warm water. Natural surfactants derived from coconut powders and Korean beauty. Natural surfactants derived from coconut powders. There's a word missing. Make this a Korean beauty innovation. Anyway. I'm excited about cleansers. I always enjoy getting a cleanser because I will use a cleanser. So that's also a really great addition to the box. The next item from Dr. Botanicals, the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. So here's the box it comes in. And then here's the product. Let me twist you around here to the side. As you can see, there's like, I don't know, 1/3 or 2/5 of the bottle that's just like empty. I don't really get that. I hope that's not how it's retailed. Maybe that's for sampling purposes for this box, but that's kind of strange to me. And also, obviously, if you've watched this channel for any length of time, you know, since it's got a fragrant item in it, rose. I'm not going to be putting this on my face. I'll probably just add it into body lotion or something. But that said, let's read about it. The Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, $26.50. Gently massage into cleansed skin morning and night. Allow to absorb for 1 to 3 minutes if applying makeup. Rich in antioxidants and moisturizing properties, this exquisite oil will work to keep your skin protected and hydrated when it needs it the most. It says to use along with the Obsidian face roller to massage the oil in. So let's actually open it and see if it's a really strong scent. Yes. It is a very strong rose scent. I actually have one face product that has rose oil in it, or rose something or other in it, that I am almost at the end of using, and I love it so much, but I'm not repurchasing it because it just doesn't make sense. If I'm being strict with all the rest of my skincare, I'm not going to keep repurchasing that product. You'll see it in an empty sooner or later, but yeah. So that's kind of a disappointment. I'm not going to be using it in the manner in which it is supposed to be used. And then the next item, my scarf keeps like falling down. Anyway, the next item is from Viva 10 Days. Is that what it's called? Viva IOE Days. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And it is a rose geranium cleansing water. So let's show you packaging. It's got a cute little hippo in the water. How adorable is that? And it says this is $16. Using a soft cloth or cotton pad, gently apply to skin and pat dry. No need to rinse. This beautiful soap-free skin tonic is designed to cleanse, soften, and soothe even the most delicate skin. I can't read. I'm getting all kinds caught up here. It can also act as a gentle sanitizer and makeup remover. So, another product I won't be using. This is got rose and geranium in it, so that's like double the fragrant ingredients, which would be a knock in my book. And the fact that you have to put it on a cloth and wipe it down means that that fragrance is going to be on your face, since there's no rinsing in this process. And on top of that, I just don't like products like this. I like to get my face soaped up and rinsed with water, so I'm just gonna give this to a friend to see if they want it. This is not something that I'd be interested in form factor wise or because of the fragrance, so another disappointment. The last item we have here is from Plant Fusion. Let me give you guys a good look at that. And this is the Collagen Beauty Clear Skin Hydrator. It says this is $2.39 for the 1 pack. I don't know if that's a good value or a bad value. I've never used a vegan collagen supplement type thing. Mix with water using a shaker bottle, blender, or with a spoon. I would probably just throw this in a fruit smoothie because I don't like drinking with flavored water pouch things. This unique formula includes botanicals and nutrients to enhance your body's collagen production naturally to keep skin firm, radiant, hydrated, and leaving you looking rested and refreshed. Now, I've heard mixed things about collagen supplements that you ingest. Some people will say they're fantastic. Some people say this isn't going to do anything for your body. It's just a little supplement you're paying too much money for. But I'm going to give it a try either way. I'm sure just after one I won't be able to see any sort of noticeable difference, but I am excited to try it because it's something I've not tried before. Then on the card here, let's see, it says there's a bonus gift for subscribers for a $15 value, and it's exclusive to subscribers. Check out discounts this month. I don't see any. So on the card it says that there's a bonus gift with this $15 value, and it says thank you for being a subscriber, but I didn't get a 6th item. Am I missing something? Somebody let me know in the description box below. Was it something that I assumed was part of the snack box, or am I missing something? I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look at other people's unboxing videos and see if I'm just like missing something. I don't know, but that is the box, and I would say this one's like a 60% for me. The roller's pretty cool. The face wash I'm excited about. This is something I've never tried, so I'm excited to at least give it a try, see if I notice anything. I probably won't after one serving, but excited to try anyway. But I will say 2/5 of the box being this disappointing stuff that I'm not going to use or use correctly per instructions is annoying. So that's my thoughts on the December Vegancuts beauty box. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. So this is a little bit of a postscript to my Vegancuts beauty unboxing. I did a little digging on Instagram to see if people had posted their little unboxing pictures for December's box, and it turns out there definitely was a 6th bonus product. I saw some people getting a 100% pure compact of some sort. I couldn't tell if it was like a highlighter or something. And then I saw one person had posted they had like a pencil product of some sort in there, so I assumed it was like an eyeliner. I guess they were just cleaning out stock, is what it kind of looks like to me. But I didn't get anything. So I have sent an email to the company and I am waiting to see what their response is. So this video might go up later than I thought it would. I thought it was going to go up Friday, I think, but if it is up later than Friday, sorry, I wanted to have a full conclusion for you. So quick check-in on the Vegancuts bonus item for my beauty box that was missing. It is now Wednesday. I emailed them on Monday the 4th. It's now Wednesday the 6th. And I just heard back from them, which is fine. I was expecting it would take a few days because of everyone coming back from the holidays. And they are going to be sending me my bonus item, whatever that happens to be. So I'm glad we got that resolved. And I'm glad the customer service was really easy to work with, and I just wanted to include that as a little postscript to this video, just to show that, you know, some companies, most companies really do want to do the right thing. So I'm going to say goodbye for real this time and get to my yoga with Adriene practice that I need to get to. So yeah, bye.